Tell me if you can relate to this. As a little girl, you're dreaming of your future husband, you're dreaming of your perfect family, your perfect life, all sitting down at the dinner table, enjoying a meal together. But here's the thing, who made that meal? I wasn't dreaming as a little girl that I was going to be cooking or that I would have to meal plan. I just thought that when you sat at the dinner table, that dinner was there because my mom always had dinner there and that's just how you did it. But then I became an adult and I'm like,
wow, I have to think ahead about what I'm going to have for dinner.
And I can tell you this, as a homeschool mom, that is the last thing on my mind. I have so many things to plan for the day that I'm not thinking about meals. But inevitably, at the end of the day, the kids are saying,
what's for dinner?
I've been stumbling along these many years as an adult, just doing my best, trying to do last minute meals. I don't know why this is such a struggle for me, but it is. And I need to figure out a meal planning strategy that is going to work better. And so I'm trying it all right now. I'm trying several different things. And one of the things I tried was this new Penny Pincher Planner meal planning box. Because I love Penny Pincher products so much, their home management planner is an invaluable tool. I will link that video below. You've got to check out that planner and all the other home management tools that they sell. But I just thought I need to try this meal planning kit. I need to see if this will help me in my quest to be more organized with the dinners. And so that's what I'm going to talk about today. The box that I chose, why I chose it. One of the things I love about this box is it comes with shopping lists. So let's look at it. So first of all, I want to just say I am like the worst meal planner in the world. I'm not even joking, like I'm horrible at meal planning. You can see here, I put crock pot. I don't know what it is. Meal planning overwhelms me. I just don't know. I'm trying this Penny Pincher meal plan box. This is the slow cooker 2. So there's another slow cooker box. So in this box, you've got all these dividers. You can see this is a 12-week crock pot plan, and every week has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meals and 1 dessert. So you don't have to do a meal every single day because it also comes with a grocery list. So if you wanted to do this plan every single day, you've already got your grocery list. So the other thing about this is like a dry erase type board. You can use dry erase markers on it or wet erase. I like the wet erase better because they don't smudge off as easy because they're supposed to be erased with water. Dry erase, you accidentally swipe it and it's gone. But so you can take this list, then inventory what you already have in your kitchen, decide what your grocery list is. Maybe you're not going to do every single meal, so look at the ingredients on the meal that you're not going to do and cross off those ingredients from this list. Now, here's the other thing. I went through every single recipe here. Pull out the actual tab, it tells you everything that's in here, so you don't have to skip through every single recipe to decide what you want to eat. You can pull out a week at a time, and there's some notes here, whatever you need to mark for the week. They also give you some extra recipe cards if you want to add your own recipes in there for a week. There's also this card, which literally has every single meal that's in here. So what I did, this is why I chose this box, because you can find out what these meals are online. She definitely shows you what the meals are. I chose this box because I thought it had the most recipes that my family would eat. I actually have a really picky family. Most of the time, these sorts of meal planning kits are probably not going to be flexible enough for me. I mean, you guys, my family doesn't like cheese, except for if it's on pizza. Mozzarella cheese is okay. But any other sort of cheese, my kids really don't eat. My husband likes cheese, but so we tend to avoid things with cheese. We avoid things with mushrooms. There's a lot of stuff that we won't eat. So knowing that, I needed to look through all the recipes of all her boxes and decide which one I thought was the most versatile for us. And I wanted the slow cooker because, again,
Busy homeschool mom.
So much easier if I can just throw it in a slow cooker and have dinner ready rather than me at the end of the day having to prep everything. So these are super simple recipes. We definitely tried some. I did a barbacoa and we did like a slow roaster pot roast meal, and I did a pumpkin caramel cake. I never thought of doing desserts in a slow cooker. It's an interesting idea. You guys need to let me know, do you do desserts in a slow cooker? But dinners, absolutely. If I can just prep up all the stuff and throw it in a slow cooker, and furthermore, I got a grocery list here and all I got to do is inventory what I need. I will say it was really simple what I did. And honestly, even the way that she planned it here by week, you don't even have to do it that way. These are just very family-friendly meals. Lori and her team have tested all of these. They've tested their ease, they've tested their taste. The meal cards are very sturdy. Nice, very thick cardboard. Crock pot rotisserie chicken is this one. I mean, She also lists on here how long it's going to take in the crock pot, how many calories. She has all kinds of boxes you can choose from. She has a low calorie box. Like I said, she has another slow cooker box. She has a freezer meal box. So if you're into making freezer meals, just if you struggle with meal planning, I'm telling you, you need to check these out. And check out my link below so that they know when you visit their website who sent you. So one of the other things that I love about this meal planning kit is it comes with other things, other exclusive free clubs, right? So when you purchase the kit, you get exclusive access to a Supper Club Facebook group where people are sharing their questions about the recipes or what they did differently with a recipe or what didn't work. You know, because there's some recipes in here that call for smaller crock pots and some that call for larger crock pots, or some that might call for a casserole crock pot, but I don't have a casserole crock pot. So did anybody else try this in a regular crock pot? How did it turn out? All of that is in this Facebook group. It's like a little community, and it is just a wealth of information for your meal planning woes and questions. Honestly, when I got this, I didn't even know that that was part of the deal, and that has been one of the biggest blessings of it all. Another fun thing this company does with the meal boxes is Crocktober. Crocktober this year starts October 3rd, and they are using the Slow Cooker 2 box. They put out a whole menu for the month, so if you want to do it along with Lori, she does it live every day as she's filling up the crock pot from Facebook and I think Instagram, so you don't have to cook alone. It's a lot of fun. For a look at the new Penny Pincher Planner and how it helps you manage your home and all of the other products that they have that I have shown recently, check out this video for more information. Till next time, bye.